They say your hairs are the crown, but in reality, your hairline is the first impression. It is the first thing that people notice, and when it starts to get back, then it is completely noticeable. You look older, less sharp, and less confident. Lots of men face this receding hairline, M shape, and they think there is no simple solution for this. But today I will show you something different. I will tell you today that how this front hairline system works and how you can get it, and how this non-surgical hair system will give you the look you always wanted in your life. Without wasting any more time, let's start this video. First of all, let's talk about what is a frontline hair system. This is not a full hair system. It will only target the front line of your head. This is completely designed for the frontline part of your head. This will only placed on the area where your hairline is receding. Your top and your back are untouched. It will be on yours. The result will look completely natural and safe. The bases we use are either lace based or ultra thin skin based. Once it is applied, it is completely invisible, and we also use 100% natural human hair, so that's why they will also look completely natural and doesn't even look like you are something applied on your head. Same movement, same shine, and everything will look natural. This is perfect for the early mid hair loss stage. Now let's talk about the second point, which is secret of the natural hairline. Now you are asking that how we will make it look real. First, we will focus is on the density. Real hairs are not thick from the front. They start light and slightly go thicker from the back. We follow the same pattern, that's why the density match and it will look completely real. And second thing we will focus is on skin matching. The base color should match your skin tone so that it will perfectly blends. And third thing we focus is on custom shape. We don't use the fixed shape. We use the custom made hair system which will be according to the hairline of you. It will have a natural pattern and finally it will look completely real. We cut and style your existing hair with the hair system so that everything can flow together. No visible line and no odd differences. Now let's talk about the third point, which is lifestyle and comfort. Can you live completely normal life with it? Yes, 100% you can live your completely normal life with your hair system. We use medical gear, adhesive and tapes which can last up to 15 to 20 days. You can go to gym, sweat and do running without even worrying about your hair. You can wash your hair, you can do shower and you can sleep with it. And the best part is there is no surgery, no time needed and instant results. You walk in and walk out with the natural perfect looking hairline. Let me tell you something, if you change your hairline, then your life will also get completely changed. You will get the confidence that you always wanted in your life. You can grow in your life, you can go to your gym confidently. You should be more confident in your life when your hairline will look 100% natural you always wanted. And the most important thing, you will stop worrying about your hair all the time, that how I am looking, then how this scalp will look and how people will notice me. You don't have worry about this, and your only goal should be to look natural with your hairline. In the end, if you are just tired of adjusting your hair and hiding your hairline with the fibers and the powders and making it obvious, then you should visit us, because we will give you a free consultation and guide you that how this frontline hair system will work for you. If you are also interested in booking a free consultation, you can visit us today at Yalla Hair Salon. The number is provided in the description if you want to call us and book a free consultation, and we are here to serve you. So now let's end this video. If this video was helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe our official YouTube channel, and I will be back with another interesting video. Till then, take care.